Okay, all these actions are in the present continuous tense. Actions that are going on at the moment of speaking. Todas estas acciones están presentadas en el tiempo presente continuo. Describen acciones que están sucediendo en el momento de hablar. They're acting, he's cooking, they're serving drinks, she's looking after a dog, they're playing the violin. Fíjense que usamos el verbo to be, que tiene las formas am, is, are. Acá en este caso, there es they are, his es he is, más el verbo principal, que es la acción en sí, terminado en ing. Act se convierte en acting. Cook se convierte en cooking. Por lo tanto, they're acting es ellos están actuando. He's cooking, él está cocinando. Lo mismo sucede con estas otras acciones. So now I want to consider the pictures. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, and 5. And we have to match these sentences with the pictures. For example, they're acting. What number is that? Number 5. He's cooking. What number is that? Number 4. They're serving drinks. What number is that? Number 1. She's looking after a dog. Number 2. They're playing the violin. Oh, where is number 3? Maybe they're serving drinks is here. Okay, so let's check. Everything is okay.